For tonight vlog, ayan, tayo ay kakain ng balot. You know what balot? Sarap. Ang sarap ng suka niya.
Dati, bisip po na ko.
With my pretty pretty niece. I have two only balot because I have
Ang afford.
hindi high blood pressure.
Bisayaan na.
This is for now only
Bisayaan na nila.
because I'm not allowed always eating balot. Maybe sometimes once a year. Uy, bakit ka na flashlight? Ang hirap naman pala nito, balatan. The balut is like this. Isang itlog na may buhok. Ang sarap higupin. Tapos, yung sasawa namin ay napakaanghang. Then, you make subo-subo like this. Diba? Sarap. What time?
7.
It's already 7:59. Because we are hungry. We don't have food. That's why we going to buy balut outside. We don't have a rice. Ay, bisong. Unsa man eh? Makaon eh?
Kagum-kum.
Yan na natuwalay naman na siya. O naman na. Disalign siya. Sobrang anghang. It's so spicy. Look. Ano na ba? Wala. Inubo na. No more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Nagalaw shout out to all my friends out there na laging nakasupport sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Lalong-lalo sa aking Team Okra, Legit Resbackers. Ayan sa aking Family Wolves. Ayan, maraming salamat. Sa aking best friend R.A. Garcia. Thank you so much to all my friends out there. Thank you na lagi nakasupport sa akin. Mr. 60 Plays, call sign Ruben. Ayan. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, yes.